repAIR is one of the cleanest and most visual torn and restoreds you're ever going to see. Start with empty hands, blow up a balloon, pop the balloon, rip the pieces up even more. Put it back together and blow it up again. repAIR uses completely normal balloons. There's no special gimmick that needs to be mailed to you. Anywhere you can find balloons, you can perform repAIR. It seems like all the new tricks that come out involve cards or coins or a lot of the same objects. Here's a new piece of magic that uses an everyday object. It's bright and colorful, and it's incredible. The method is sneaky as hell, and it's as easy to learn as blowing up a balloon. If you want something to perform that's easy, fast, and super visual, check out repAIR.